Ever wondered how blockchain works? It seems like a complex idea, right? Well, today, unravel the mystery behind this revolutionary technology in the simplest way possible. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger, much like a traditional ledger that records debits and credits between people. But this digital ledger has a twist. It's entirely transparent and can exist simultaneously in multiple places. Imagine having an open book that lives on everyone's computer. That's the blockchain. Now, picture a game of Chinese whispers where a message gets passed from person to person. In the end, the message often gets distorted. However, in the world of blockchain, the whispers maintain their original form. That's because every computer in the network checks and verifies the message, making sure it stays true to its original form. This concept is what we call decentralization. When a transaction happens in a blockchain, it's like a new line written in this open book. But before the line gets written, computers in the network have to agree that the transaction is valid. This agreement is reached through a process called consensus. Remember playing Sudoku, where every number in the grid has to fit perfectly, or else the entire puzzle doesn't work? Well, blockchain works in a similar way. If a transaction doesn't fit perfectly into the ledger, it won't go through. That's how blockchain maintains its integrity and security. So how does blockchain keep all this information secure? Think of it as a chain of safes. Each safe or block contains information about transactions, like a page in our open book. But here's the catch. Each safe is locked with a unique code generated from the content of the safe before it. This means if someone tries to tamper with a safe, the code changes, alerting everyone in the network. This is what we call cryptography. To sum it up, blockchain is a digital, decentralized ledger that records transactions across many computers. It ensures that the record cannot be altered retroactively thanks to the use of consensus and cryptography. Blockchain is not just the technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It's a new way of documenting data on the internet. It has potential applications in many areas, from finance and law to healthcare and arts. So, next time someone talks about blockchain, remember this. It's just an open book living on everyone's computer, recording transactions in a secure and transparent way. And that, dear listener, is a simplified explanation of blockchain. It's not as complex as it seems, is it? Just remember the open book, the whispers, the Sudoku puzzle, and the chain of safes, and you'll have a basic understanding of this revolutionary technology.